Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can use your Google Drive in your mobile phone and just share the link. So first you have to open Play Store and search for Drive. As you can see at the top, you have to install this Google Drive and just open the app. So as you can see, if you want to make a folder, just click on this plus button and make a folder. So I've created this folder, and to upload the file you have to just click on this plus button, and then you have to click on this upload button. As you can see, there is an images. So to upload any image you have to just click on the image, and then it will be uploaded within a minute or as per your data speed. So as you can see, my file has been uploaded. So to share to anyone, you have to just click on this share button, and just you have to click on the security button, and to change this, so restricted to anyone, you can do for anyone. So here you can see a button, you can just copy it. So the link has been copied, so I have to just close this. So it is the folder anyone can access. So to access this, so check this. So you can just open the Chrome, you can just go to incognito mode and just copy the link. So as you think, like here the verification is there, so you have to just verify it. Crossroads, so verification is done. So as you can see, the image has been shared to worldwide, you can see. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.